So let's show you how these get installed. These current ones are just on a hook, which is exactly what these come with. They come with a hook. They also come with a threaded boss that this hook goes into. And then it comes with a 5-foot cable here with a standard 110 AC input. They do have 2 other wires on here, this purple and pink wire, and this is actually for dimmer. So these are the 0 to 10 volt dimming capable, which means you would need a separate set of wires and a special LED dimmer switch that's the 0 to 10 volt in order to control the brightness. But you can do that with these. And then, like most of these LED stuff, they claim really long life, like 50,000 plus hours of life. And so let's get these things installed and see how they perform. The only other thing that comes in the box, other than what I'm showing here, is a little safety cable. So this is a cable that obviously you can throw around the trusses up there, around like the base 2x4, just in case the hook were to pull out or fail or whatnot. That is a safety. But otherwise, these things will be good to go. All right, so just for reference here, this is the size of the existing one, and this is this guy. So you can see, they are much lower profile. I mean, if you had any kind of headroom clearance issue, this would obviously solve a lot of that. And then just the amount of power that these take. And then, these don't need any kind of deflector because of the way these are set up here. All the light goes down, whereas these need the back reflector to help get all the light output down to the ground. So for this one, I'm just gonna take this one off. We'll cut this wire. We're actually going to put a adapter on there. So we go from this wire to a female standard 110 plug, and then we'll just plug these in and turn them on. All right, so here it is all installed. You can see it's on the hook there. I'm not using the dimmer lights wires, but then we have the 110 just going into a little adapter here, and then it's going back to the main power. So very simple to install and quick and easy. Okay, so here is the light meter, and going right underneath here, we're at 700, 720, give or take. If I go back to the center of the barn here, I am over 1,000, 1,200 lux right here. If I go over by the tractor now, before I think we were 40 and then like 260. And, now we're at about 320 here. So, these lights are drastically brighter here. You can see that it did fall off as we go over to the side, which means we need to put more of these LEDs up so that we cover these other parts of the barn here. So on this side now we're like 250 by the hoist here. But overall this is much brighter. I mean, here it's a nice clean white light, so it really makes all the colors pop and it really helps you to see a lot. So I like it. I was a little bit concerned that it wouldn't be as diffuse as needed without a diffuser panel, but they seem to do a really good job of actually spreading the light out so that it's a soft fade as you go away from the light.